Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Oni Jocks, and if you are not new and if you just subscribed to me, hey girl, hey guy, hey. Today, as you can see from the thumbnail, today we're just doing a moving situation. It's gonna be a moving vlog. I'm currently in my car, about to head to Dollar Tree and then to Walmart. Yesterday was Saturday. Today is Sunday, and today is my bad, April 27th. It's still 8:02 a.m. so it is pretty early. Yesterday I did go to Walmart to try to get some boxes, but I couldn't find any at Walmart because at first I didn't want to buy any because we're moving pretty close and I'm not using a lot of boxes anyways. So I thought that I could grab a couple of boxes that have been used that I could just use again, that I didn't have to pay for, which I did the last time, but I wasn't able to do it this time because they kept saying, oh, go ask this guy. I asked about like 4 or 5 people and neither of them knew what was going on, so I just gave up on it. Came home and I slept because I was like, well, if I can't find boxes, then it means I'm not supposed to be packing on this date. That's what I took it as. Anywho, so today I woke up and I decided, oh yeah, well, even if I don't find free boxes, I'm gonna have to buy some because I need to start packing. It's too late. I've procrastinated enough. I need to start packing. So I'm going to do that. I literally just got up. I haven't even washed my face. I just brushed my teeth and that was it. Like, I'm still in my PJs. You can see, if you can believe it. Still in my PJs. So yeah. Oh, this is nice. That's all heated up and stuff. Anywho, so yeah. So I'm headed to Walmart right now. I think I'm also gonna go to Dollar Tree because I want to get trash bags to put like stuff like clothes in and stuff, because I'm not folding and putting clothes in boxes. No, I'm just gonna dump make my life easier on me. So yeah, so I will catch up with you guys later because I want to try and video as much as I can, everything that I can, because I'm trying to give you guys content. I'm trying to give you guys content. That's the name of the game. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So I'm gonna head over there. I have such an annoying pain in my tummy. If that doesn't work, I guess I could go to Target. I know we're boycotting Target, but I'm not trying to buy from Target. Let's get it. Let's clock it. I'm not trying to buy from Target. I'm trying to get the boxes for free from Target. If they don't give it to me, I'm walking out of there and going to buy it from somewhere else because I am also part of the people boycotting Target. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna head out and I will catch up with you guys later. I just got to Target. Thankfully, I do have a Dollar Tree right here as well, so we're gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Okay, so I'm back. Honestly, I'm not sure what the plan is and what I'm gonna do. I think that I want to start with a pantry, just because. Let me show you guys. Just because this is like, we don't have like a regular pantry or whatever. So this is actually the laundry room. However, my husband installed these shelves on here, you know, DIY boo. Anywho, he installed those shelves. So I kind of have to figure out a way to, not figure out, I want to finish with this pantry first and take it all out. So my husband can like take these out because these didn't come with the apartment. So yeah, I think this did though. Yes, this did. Because this is part of the laundry, whatever. But not these ones. So we're going to start off here. And once this is done, then I think I'm going to go... I don't know. We're going to see. Well, let's start off here and then see where we got. Like, I'm sorry, it's like a mess here, but you know, it's always a mess when you're moving and stuff. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. So I'm just going to finish up with that first. And then, yeah, and then we'll go from there. I honestly just came to close out this, well, not the vlog, but the day. Honestly, I wasn't able to get a lot done, a lot moved, but that's okay. I was able to clear out my pantry a little bit. I just left the little things that we would probably be using till Thursday. Clear out my pantry. I think I packed up the shoes that, because we're only going to probably wear one pair of shoes for the rest of this week till Thursday to work. That's fine. That's okay. So I packed up the other shoes and put it in a tote. Put down most of the decoration. You guys already saw that. What else did I do? Packed out the guest room closet. And then I got tired. Your girl got tired because my whole body started hurting. I was in like, yeah, my whole body started hurting. But I did all those. And I honestly just, because after doing all of that, I just couldn't get myself up to cook nothing. And I was starving, so your girl just DoorDashed Pancheros Mexican because I want a burrito. I gotta, what's the word I'm thinking of? Sorry guys, pregnancy brain. I gotta reward myself for all the hard work I did today because I did do hard work. So I'm waiting for my DoorDash order, and I stepped in. I went into the bathroom to take a shower while waiting. I just got out of the shower. Honestly, not even doing anything to my face because your girl, the heat the heat. I'm too hot right now, so it's like putting any moisturizer lotion on my face right now is like I can't do that. I can't start sweating right now. I just want my skin dry. The only kind of moisture whatever I put was on my tummy, because I'm not playing with moisturizing my belly. So yeah, so I'm just closing this off. It's not the end of the moving of the vlog, it's just the end of the day. It's currently 8:32 p.m. Still waiting on our supper. It's dropping the order off. Oh yay! Got out of the shower, food's ready. So yeah, the order has been dropped off, so I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna keep watching The Chosen while I eat, and then I'm gonna go to bed because I need to go to bed early tonight because I didn't get enough sleep last night. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking with me, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah.